Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will further explore the practical so-called benefits of crystals and essential oils. We discussed in our previous video the introduction about essential oil and crystal, right? Benefits of crystals and essential oils for the 7 chakras. Before you continue with this video, I recommend watching the introduction that we have discussed in our previous video. Like, I have been applying this essential oil for years. It helps to improving sleep, right? Easing anxiety and depression, stabilizing emotions, alleviating stress, boosting motivation and productivity, attracting abundance, achieving balanced and calm mind we all desire for, healing emotions and shielding from negativity, enhancing resilience, stimulating creativity, improving communications and empathy, and so on and on and on. Endless benefits. Okay, the moment you start to use any of the, at least to start with lavender oil for a better sleep, you try and see. These are not really chemicals. If you get it from a better source, it will help you. So let's talk about tips, so-called tips, blending crystals and essential oils today in this video. Okay, we can enhance the power of essential oil by blending with their crystal. So first thing, select your crystal. Choosing a crystal is commonly done through intuition. The general belief is that your body will naturally attract or be attracted to the crystals you need the most. Just by looking at or holding a crystal, you could instantly feel its connection and the pull and its energy. It's easy to find information about its properties by just do a simple Google search. We all need to learn. As an example, like Amethyst healing benefits, okay? It helps to concentrate on the qualities that match your present requirements. Okay, now select an essential oil which goes well with the crystal. As you know, essential oils are powerful. Natural extract obtained from different parts of the plants, such as its fruits and trees, highly valued for their therapeutic benefits since ancient times. Okay, helping with sleep, as I mentioned, energy, pain relief, and stress management. It's a essential oils collections helps a lot for stress management. So let's talk about a few widely used essential oils and their benefits. It will be available everywhere. Lavender, as an example, promotes restful sleep. So the moment I talk about lavender, I talk about sleep, a blissful nights. Okay, likewise, tea tree oil treats your acne, calms the scalps. Peppermint boosts energy, repels insects, and supports healthy hair growth. Lemon oil disinfects, reduces stress, and combats acne. Very simple use of lemon, we all know. Eucalyptus clears airways when your nose is blocked, relieves congestion. Rosemary, the most lovable oil ever I have, improved memory, enhances hair growth, and reduces stress as well. Frankincense, who does not like frankincense? The God's essential oil we talk about. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects, it supports mood, sleep, and respiratory health. orange essential oils. These works as a disinfectants as well, reduces anxiety and eases pain. Balsam field, the most, and I always like health and joint function. So pair your crystal with essential oil as amethyst with jasmine. Amethyst crystal is known for its versatility, often utilized for protection, balance, and boosting confidence. Pair it with jasmine essential oil to amplify relaxation and stress relief. Or just apply it wherever you need, right? Like this, you apply. So easy. So pyrite, the wonderful crystal with cinnamon oil. You want to attract wealth and prosperity? Pyrite is the answer. We all know. Use pyrite and cinnamon essential oil together. By using this pair, you could bring abundance into your life and find the right direction. You could light a cinnamon scented candle as well, or use a diffuser along with your pyrite crystal. So there are list of crystals which are good with certain essential oils, and as I continue to make more videos I will explain with you all, but you can start to explore. Aquamarine encourages courage and self-expression, and clove, ginger, chamomile, lavender. This is the aquamarine with chamomile oil I use for thyroid health. So clear quartz amplifies energy, and you can use with all sort of an essential oil with clear quartz. Emerald enhances unity and serenity. You can use lavender, rose, cedarwood, jasmine as well. Garnet, another wonderful crystal. You can use with frankincense, lemon, jasmine. Lapis lazuli, promotes wisdom, and you can pair with simple jasmine, lime, or basil oil. Rose quartz, we all know about rose quartz, we discussed, right? Cultivates love and strengthens relationship. You can pair with lavender, rosemary, right? So by blending these crystals and essential oil into your daily routine, you could harness your inner power, promoting well-being and leading to a more balanced and satisfying life, right? You continue to use medical science or medical support along with all these naturally available crystals, essential oil, food. So as we wrap up today's video, I would like to request you, do not forget that the exploration of crystals and essential oils is intimately personal. I wanted to make it clear, intimately personal choice. So through meticulous selection and fusion of these natural elements, you have the ability to forge impactful resources that promote your well-being and enhances your life. That is what our wish is. So whether you are seeking peace, abundance, or healing, let these ancient practices guide you. And remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so yet. So if you found this content helpful, keep watching for our upcoming video where we will delve into additional methods of incorporating these important tools, these important aspects into your life routine. So until then, embrace the energy around you and let it guide you to your higher potential, so you live a wonderful life all around, a blissful life. Thank you.